Good evening, cordial greeting to Tutor College. My name is Sergio Sanchez. On this occasion, I will tell about company the software Colombia S.A. This topic was presented by my college. Is very good present. I want to add a reference a general condition of the licenses and the negotiation. Yes, and one moment. Important information about the company. This is company has generated saving on research and development cost of 15% compared to those of the competition, which are 20% of project income, and for company software the Colombia S.A. the average cost per receipt are 5% of project income saving and total of 15% of project income. Not ownership of improvement. Any software that or on-grade must have a new agreement with the license in order to use it. Otherwise, after a certain amount of time, you can only use a certain process framing in the old software. What this is part reference my conclusion. My conclusion is should we know that our industrial engineering that when starting instead of negotiation or establishing an ICT of license, we must be very careful and meet the requirements such as inventive labor, industrial application, and novelty. This is will be essential in taking about a patents, intangible basis of licenses. The company aims to reassure package and promote the invention, both at legal and commercial level, since the main objective the establishing an intangible in the exploitation of it to generate profit. Thank you so much for attention. For reference, thank you for much for attention.